Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the tips and tricks that I use to get this beautiful bluish indigo purple dimensional color on my client, who is about 90% gray and loves to play around with super fun colors. So leave your questions and comments below and I will get back to them as soon as I can. Enjoy! As you can see here, her color is quite faded. This was about maybe 8.5 weeks ago. We are going to lighten her roots, which is about 90% gray, and go back in and refresh the tones on the mids and ends. I will be using on her scalp Oligo Black Light with 20 volume. This will process under a cap with no heat for about 45 minutes. So here we have a really nice blonde tone. It still has a little bit of warmth in it, but we're going to take care of that with the Fanola No Yellow shampoo. We're going to leave that on for about 5 minutes, and that's going to give us a nice, even, beautiful light blonde to kind of cancel out some of the green that the blue and the yellow may pull. So here I've already applied Wella Color Fresh Create New Blue to her base, and on the mids I am blending the Ultra Purple and the New Blue together. Throughout the entire application, I made sure that I used the same process and pattern, starting in the back and working my way up to the front, then to the top. Ensuring that everything is fully saturated, we are going to process for 20 minutes at room temperature. Once complete, we rinse with cool water and follow with the moisturizing conditioner. I always like to instruct my clients not to shampoo at least for 48 hours after getting your color done. I wanted to give Julie a really awesome haircut that will complement her hair color. We ended up going for an asymmetrical pixie cut with weight removal in the front. Julie's hair can be slightly unruly. She has very thick, coarse, and curly hair. So I wanted to give her something that she wouldn't have to fuss with too much and it would lay nicely. As you can see here, her hair texture is still in wonderful condition. The color is vibrant, and she is very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at VanillaCake718 for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.